My name is Drew Melly, your host from Havre, Montana. It was on Havre Holiday Village Wiki, and today is Saturday, March 13th, 2021. I was numbered 25 years ago today. The Superstorm 93. I was talking about the Weather Channel. They're taking over to all kinds of storms of the century. We have the snow along the Georgia and from Chattanooga, Tennessee. And there are some heavy storms in Florida. We got this take it over 25 years ago today. Every single day. But next time you're going to be 30th anniversary. And I just don't have to worry about that and take a few moments to go. But just know about severe storms. I want you to take it a little bit and going, getting closer. Well, he thinks his shit doesn't stink. How about this blizzard on this right here? Take it and do this that way, because I was basically have to see it that way, because I'm gonna have to see that one, because another one for the Weather Channel parking lot. You always said about this Rich Johnson about the Superstorm Saturday, and when you always just have to see it, and then but you always have to in that way, because I have to take care of this user of this programs, and it always says I have to see it, and a prompt. You can say a little time by Don't Pester a Carry for me, Sorry about that. Okay, I know you're trying to get the Superstorm 93, but yeah, I know you got this thing on my... Sorry about that. Okay, I just know a super snowstorm in North Carolina and moved to Tennessee. About to check your radar installation. About this one, you got finally always performance. You got to visit our website at usatoday.com or go to this American Online, the Weather Channel. Excuse me. Ain't too hard for snow shoveling. Oh shit, looks like having fun in the outside. But there's what's more than that. But this thing, as you always have to see it that way, and which you always say very, you always have to see it, and then you don't have to make sure, but this thing have USB, it's very entertaining. And you know always it sure does. I'm trying to get your itchy thing on my nose. I know you're trying to get those heebie-jeebie out. I know, Andrea. I know. Sheesh. Sorry about that. Okay, this is talking about this 25th anniversary edition of Superstorm 93. And moving storms in North Carolina to Florida. I've used this thing. I've got this thing, user information, you'll see. This is something I have to do right now. So, actually, I know there's a bit have to do about that, because I have some user information you'll see as about March, and eventually I don't have to do it like that, because I'm going to have to see it that way, because usually I'm able to there. And what it does is usually got this thing have this thing vary. I've usually have to do it for another one. But the whole thing I have to show you and how the Superstorm 93 to get here. And this thing how it says Perfection of my one. It's true. You're gonna try to get this boogie out of there. Well, this no, it's this because I ran out the same dairy because your process to out there. And what this does is if you were just about this thing dairy, I'm has performance. I'm using always this because it's this day. And it was the same dairy. You would always system see it. And about this one, the movie, the radar installation. Heard to see it off the Weather Channel Studios. 4 times Z7. It's up to the latest local weather radar. Sophisticated with periods of snow, hail, or thunder. Colorized and for the illustrate movement. So there you have it. The first all-in-one 25th anniversary edition of Blizzard of 1993. Okay. Well, stupid. I think that's enough for now for this thing. I'll probably get some more videos and user information you'll see about this anything if you want to. The blogger is online at www.haverholidaywillagecity.blogspot.com or visit our website at haverholidayvillage.com. Let me do another video real quick, so I have to see that later. So, this is Julie Melly signing off. I think you have to come back again soon.